Good day, everyone. Welcome to Puerto Galera Greenhouse with Hydroponic System, located at Barangay Villaflor. Let me give you a tour on how we integrate our aquaponics system. Let's go!
The greenhouse project with hydroponic system in Villaflor, Puerto Galera was launched in February 2025. It features a modern hydroponic system by the Department of Agriculture Mimaropa and it's worth 1.47 million. It grows lettuce and melons and supports farmers and promotes sustainable agritourism in the area. Here's an interview with one of the caretakers of the hydroponic system.
May pagkakataon po bang nahihirapan kayong mag-maintain ng ideal growing conditions sa greenhouse at water quality?
May pagkakataong nahihirapan kaming i-handle yung tamang level ng pH dahil kapag mababa yung pH, kailangan naming lagyan ng phosphoric acid. Kailangan magtama yung pH level at saka yung EC. So lahat ng ginagawa namin ay manual.
Natatrack niyo po ba dati yung mga environmental conditions ng maayos?
Dati, hindi namin siya talaga natatrack ng on time dahil tulad ng pH level, halos oras-oras nagbabago ang pH level niyan. So, oras-oras kailangang i-monitor. Hindi namin siya talaga natatrack ng full quality dahil may ibang trabaho pa din kami sa labas bukod yung sa loob.
Nararanasan niyo po bang magka-problema dahil sa kakulangan ng timely monitoring or delayed response in overall po sa greenhouse?
Marami kaming nararanasang problem kapag hindi na monitor. Tulad na lang kapag nawawala ng kuryente. Isa na doon yung pagtakbo ng tubig. Mamamatay. So pag ganun, hindi na talaga magpo-flow yung tubig pag walang kuryente. Lalo na din kapag gabi, hindi naman kami duty ng gabi, so umaga lang hanggang hapon kami nandito. Nagkakaroon ng linkage yung kanal ng hydroponics. So pagbalik namin kinaumagahan, kakaunti na yung tubig, nababawasan na yung solution dun sa aming tangke.
Based po dun sa paggamit niyo ng aquaponic system, masasabi niyo po ba na mas napadali po yung trabaho niyo sa pagmamanage ng hydroponic system?
Para sa akin po, talagang napadali po yung trabaho namin dun sa inyong aquaponic system. Dahil kung dati nagmamanual, halo-halo lang kami doon sa tank. Ngayon, yung system na yung nag-a-analyze ng data para mas matama yung pH level ng aming solution. So, at saka kapag kami malayo na ulan, hindi na kami pupunta sa tank para buhayin o patayin yung fan. Katulad, nakokontrol na sa cellphone yung system. Lalo na kapag umuulan, usually walang kuryente dito sa aming barangay. So dahil meron namang solar panel, nagana pa rin yung system kahit na walang kuryente. So yan lang.
So this is our complete aquaponics system. First, we have the manual controls which allow us to operate the system directly. The system also includes an LCD display for basic monitoring where we can view essential data in real time. Next, we'll demonstrate how the system stays operational even if the main power grid is cut off. Thanks to our solar panel setup, the system remains active during brownouts, ensuring continuous operation. Moving on, we've installed a submersible pump that draws water from the bottom of the tank. The water is then sent out to our testing container, which holds the pH tester, conductivity tester, and temperature sensor for water quality monitoring. Here, we're demonstrating the remote control of our nutrient dosers, which use peristaltic pumps to deliver precise amounts when needed. Inside the greenhouse, we have our temperature and humidity sensors along with the LCD monitor connected to the main system. We can also remotely control the fans, allowing us to regulate the humidity and maintain the ideal temperature inside the greenhouse.